Here's an example of finding the area of a trapezoid. I sort of wrote the wrong learning target up here. So we are actually in the learning target where we're finding the area of trapezoids, rhombuses, and kites. This particular example is dealing with the area of a trapezoid. There is a twist in this particular problem. We will get to that. It's going to include a special right triangle. So when we look at a trapezoid, remember the area is 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. I personally like to just fill in the numbers where h, b1, and b2 are. So b1 we can call 5, b2 we can call 7. So 5 and 7 would go there. The height, I don't know, because there is no height listed here or here. This is where I would like to drop the perpendicular. Okay. What I do know, though, is that this angle is a 60-degree angle. So the question is, what is the measure of that h? And so we have to figure that out. I know that the length of this part of the triangle, let me zoom in on this triangle here, kind of make it larger. This is 60 degrees. This is h. This is 2. Why is it 2? Because this whole length is 7, and we're taking 5 away from it to put us right there. So that leaves us 2 right here. So I'm going to write 2 right there. Now, this is a special right triangle from a previous unit. And we have to use our knowledge of right triangles, special right triangles, in this case, a 30, 60, 90 triangle, to find the length of the height. And if you recall, in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, we have the small leg is x, and here's the 60-degree angle, and here's the 30-degree angle. The small leg is x, the hypotenuse is double that, and the long leg is x times radical 3. You want to recall that, and you might even put that down in your notes right by the formulas for areas of these shapes. You want to put this one and the 45, 45, 90 triangle. I could have easily made that a 45-degree angle. So anyway, this measurement is the measurement we want here. It's going to be x radical 3. In this case, it's going to be 2 radical 3. So that's our height up here, 2 radical 3. So let's now take all of this information, come over here, and simplify it. Area is going to equal 1/2 times 2 radical 3 times the quantity of 5 plus 7, that's 12. And now we want to do that. Well, 1/2 times 2 is simply radical 3 times 12. We could write 12 radical 3 as our solution. I would go ahead and leave it in radical form. And this is going to be an area formula, so this is meters squared. So there's our answer. If you wanted to put this in terms of a decimal, that's fine. That would be 12 radical 3. However, this is only an approximation. So that's 20.8 square meters. So I would personally leave it in radical form.